Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa.
Hello everyone, welcome to At Home with Lisa. Hi LoveBugs, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. We welcome you with open arms. And if you're returning, welcome back. Y'all know we can't do this without you. So thank you so much for continuing to support At Home with Lisa. So today you all, I am outside in the garage. And as you can see, I have 2 bags here, which I don't know if I'm going to do both bags, but one bag for sure. I have some pine cones. And these pine cones I want to utilize in my Christmas decor this year. So what I want to do is I want to try and spray paint them. This is a spray paint, and I want to do it a gold leaf color. So I've never spray painted pine cones before, so we're gonna see how this works out. And then I also have like this Mod Podge, like a super shine to it, so I'm gonna see if that works as well too. So I have plenty of pine cones if it messes up, if I don't do it right or if it don't look right. But at any rate, I'm going to try this Pinecone DIY spray painting activity to see what it's going to look like, because I do want to use it in my decor. Okay, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and leave me some comments down below. I love hearing from you guys. So without further ado guys, let's get into this video. So I'm going to put this styrofoam board on the table to try not and get all of the spray paint on here. So this is one pine cone, and these are pretty big. And I was just going to use them like this, but I was like, let me try this DIY and see how that works. So I'm going to try it. And see how it turns out, y'all. Alright, you all, here we go. I hope y'all are ready. It's taken. Yeah. So, y'all look, that is beautiful. And I still want some of the original color of the pine cone to show through. So, but it looks good. It's taken pretty well. Oh my goodness. So yeah, y'all, it took, oh my goodness gracious. Let me give y'all a close-up. Look at that. Can y'all see that gold? It's pretty. Voila, what a can of spray paint can do, y'all. Awesome. Now let's do one more pine cone, okay? I just want to check and make sure this one is done. Okay, so we're going to set this one aside. And we're going to do another one. I'm loving the way it is just adhering to the pine cone. But the thing about it is you have to stand it up in order to get in the middle part, unless you want that to stay the original color. So you can see the gold coming through. See, it's taking pretty good, you guys. Oh yeah. Yeah, looking pretty good. I probably should have had some gloves on, but I wasn't worried about my nails because as y'all can see, they look horrific. And I knew I had to do this this project here, so I was waiting to get my nails done after I finished this project. So let's stand it up here. And it looks good. Okay, so I'm gonna let these two dry, let both of them dry. There's one and there's the other one. I'm going to let them dry before I add the shine to it. Let's see if this super shine, this Mod Podge super shine is going to work. It does have like a little gloss to it, because this is metallic spray paint on here. So yeah, let's just let that dry and we'll come back and spray that on. Okay, you all, while the pine cones are drying, I decided to press my look. I did go and put a glove on, y'all. If you saw my Christmas decor haul 2024, I had these galvanized containers in there and I showed y'all, and I was like, I didn't really want that on the front of it. So, and then I was like, it's going to be okay because they're going to be outside. Well, I'm going to see if I can spray paint these gold. See if the spray paint is going to adhere to here. I did brush it a little bit to kind of make it rough, and I wiped it off. And let's see if this spray paint is going to adhere to this galvanized can. I think it can, but I'm not sure if the metallic is going to work on this galvanized. But I know if it was acrylic spray paint, it would. So let's see, y'all. Let's see if this is going to work. Well, look at there. It's actually working, you guys. Let's see if it's going to cover up. Let's see if it's going to cover up that. It worked. Woohoo! Yes, yes, yes. I love it, 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 I love it. So I have another one, so I'm going to spray paint that one as well too. I want to kind of try to get the edges, the rims of it. Let's see, without getting the inside. Okay. All right, let's see, y'all. Yes, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. So that worked out pretty good. So I'm happy about that. So let's go ahead and pull our pine cones over and try the Mod Podge shine on them. This is the second one, so I'm going to go ahead and spray paint that one too. Okay, that one is done as well too. So we're going to let that one dry with the other one. And then we're going to go ahead and bring our pine cones back. And we're going to try to seal them with the gloss. Can y'all see the gloss? I'll give you guys a close-up, but I see it being glossy. Yeah, the gloss is working. Perfect. All right, you guys, looky, looky, looky. The gloss and the spray paint did work on the pine cones. And as you can see, the galvanized cans, it worked on that too. So the only thing that I used, you guys, was I used this here Krylon metallic gold leaf spray paint. That's what I used. And I did pick that up from the Hobby Lobby. And then I used the Mod Podge. The Mod Podge Super High Shine to give the pine cones that clear acrylic shine. So yeah, you guys, so my DIY, I would say, is a success. So don't forget to make sure you have your notification bells on so you can see how I utilize these pine cones and the galvanized cans in my space for Christmas. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye, love bugs. See y'all in the next.
Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa. Kick back and catch a vibe. We at home with Lisa. Kick back, it's a lifestyle. We at home with Lisa. We at home.